Welcome to Turbo Rider. Today, we are diving review the legend of Harley Davidson takes a modern twist with the all-new 2025 Harley Davidson X500, a mid-size roadster built to bring Harley power to every rider. Engine and performance. At the heart of the X500 is a 500 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, parallel twin engine that produces around 47 horsepower and 46 newton meters of torque. It comes with a 6-speed transmission and electronic fuel injection, giving you smooth acceleration, strong mid-range power, and that classic Harley feel with a modern touch. Design and build. The X500 carries Harley's iconic roadster design, muscular tank, wide handlebar, and a compact tail section that rides on cast aluminum wheels, a 50mm upside-down front fork, and an adjustable rear shock, providing excellent comfort and control on every ride. The LED headlight and taillight setup add a bold, premium look that stands out both day and night. Dimensions and comfort. Weighing around 208 kilograms, the X500 is lighter and more manageable than traditional Harleys. It offers an 820mm seat height, giving a confident riding posture, while the 13.1-litre fuel tank ensures long rides without constant refueling. Price and availability. The Harley X500 is priced around $11,500 Australian dollars in Australia and is expected to launch in Asian markets soon at around 6 Indian rupees lakh in India. In Pakistan and other regions, it may arrive through import dealers, so check local availability and taxes. Final thoughts. The 2025 Harley Davidson X500 brings the true Harley spirit in a lighter, modern, and affordable package. With its aggressive looks, strong performance, and legendary brand DNA, this bike is made for riders who want the Harley experience without the heavyweight hassle. Like, share, and subscribe to Turbo Rider.